Coming in as what is being said that the Lawrence Bishnoi gang seems to have threatened singer B. Prak. This seems to be an extortion call that has been made, seeking around 10 crore rupees as protection money and demanding also from singer Dilnoor via a message, giving them 1 week's time to pay them the money. Now, this seems to be an audio clip that has now surfaced as far as when it comes to this threat is now concerned, coming in from allegedly a member of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang. Singer B. Prak has received, as far as the Punjabi Bollywood singer is concerned, then such kind of a threatening audio clip seems to have surfaced, demanding at least 10 crore rupees as extortion amount.
हेलो, आरजू बिश्नोई बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है। उसको बी पार को मैसेज लगा देना, 10 करोड़ रुपए चाहिए। तेरे पास 1 हफ्ते का टाइम है, जिस मर्जी कंट्री में चला जा, जहाँ भी आस पास वाले उसके साथ वाला कोई भी मिल गया ना, ठीक है, नुकसान कर देंगे। यार इसको फेक कॉल मत समझना, ठीक है। मिलके चलेगा, ठीक है, नहीं उसको बोल मिट्टी में मिला देंगे। हाँ हेलो, आरजू बिश्नोई बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है। उसको बी पार को मैसेज लगा देना, 10 करोड़ रुपए चाहिए। तेरे पास 1 हफ्ते का टाइम है, जिस मर्जी कंट्री में चला जा, जहाँ भी आस पास वाले उसके साथ वाला कोई भी मिल गया ना, ठीक है, नुकसान कर देंगे। यार इसको फेक कॉल मत समझना, ठीक है। मिलके चलेगा, ठीक है, नहीं उसको बोल मिट्टी में मिला देंगे।
Well, Bhavtosh, that seems to be the threat audio call that has surfaced. Mitti mein mila denge or will be buried in the ground. This seems to be a threat that has now been received to the singer.
Yes, Amita, nothing new as far as Lawrence Bishnoi gang is concerned. They had done so earlier with other Punjabi singers, even gone ahead and killed Sidhu Moosewala, also targeted various Punjabi sports stars, including Kabaddi player. This time around, 2 Punjabi singers are on their radar, particularly Dilnoor, who is known for his stage performance, and also B. Prak. Now, the first threat call was received by Dilnoor earlier this month, and after which he disconnected that call, and subsequently he received 2 audio clips. Now, these audio clips were received purportedly were made by Arzu Bishnoi, who is said to be staying in Germany. Now, he claims that he in fact asked for around 50 lakh rupees from Dilnoor, but more importantly, he also had asked for around 10 crore rupees from B. Prak. Now, B. Prak is known for his lavish lifestyle. He had last year purchased a Rolls Royce, also for some very expensive watches and other luxury items. And he, in fact, had said that around 10 crore rupees should also be paid or extorted from B. Prak. Now, Dilnoor has gone ahead and filed a complaint with Mohali police. The investigation has started in this case. Okay. Lawrence Bishnoi and his gang is known for these extortion calls and threatening messages to various people.
Absolutely, and this seems to be a threat call, and the audio that seems to have surfaced, which is said to be of a member allegedly of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang, threatening singer B. Prak, demanding 10 crores as extortion money, giving him a 1 week time, saying that this is not a fake call, and if you don't follow the demand of 10 crore rupee, then you will be buried in the ground. Mitti mein mila denge. That seems to be the threat that is now surfaced in this audio clip.
हाँ हेलो, आरजू बिश्नोई बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है। उसको बी पार को मैसेज लगा देना, 10 करोड़ रुपए चाहिए। तेरे पास 1 हफ्ते का टाइम है, जिस मर्जी कंट्री में चला जा, जहाँ भी आस पास वाले उसके साथ वाला कोई भी मिल गया ना, ठीक है, नुकसान कर देंगे। यार इसको फेक कॉल मत समझना, ठीक है। मिलके चलेगा, ठीक है, नहीं उसको बोल मिट्टी में मिला देंगे। हाँ हेलो, आरजू बिश्नोई बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है। उसको बी पार को मैसेज लगा देना, 10 करोड़ रुपए चाहिए। तेरे पास 1 हफ्ते का टाइम है, जिस मर्जी कंट्री में चला जा, जहाँ भी आस पास वाले उसके साथ वाला कोई भी मिल गया ना, ठीक है, नुकसान कर देंगे। यार इसको फेक कॉल मत समझना, ठीक है। मिलके चलेगा, ठीक है, नहीं उसको बोल मिट्टी में मिला देंगे।